Is it safe to eat moldy cheese? Can you just cut off the mold? The answer depends on the cheese. For soft cheese like ricotta cheese, cottage cheese, mozzarella cheese, and cream cheese, if you see mold on these cheese, you should just throw the cheese away. For hard cheese like Swiss cheese, Parmesan cheese, and cheddar cheese, it's okay to eat the cheese as long as you cut off the mold. For shredded cheese, if you see mold growing in the bag of shredded cheese, you should just throw it away. For pre sliced cheese, if you see mold growing on the sliced cheese, don't eat it, throw it away. For crumbled cheese, if you see mold growing on crumbled cheese, you need to throw it away. Why is it okay to eat hard cheese that has grown mold on it? It's okay to eat hard cheese with mold because the mold that has grown on hard cheese has not penetrated the cheese. The mold on hard cheese does not affect the taste or quality of the cheese. In fact, mold is common and part of the cheese making process. Do you know the white rind on brie is actually mold? The firm white rind around brie is white mold that is safe to eat. So, how do you trim mold off moldy cheese? It's easy to trim mold off moldy cheese. Step 1: cut the mold off the cheese. Cut off an inch around and below the moldy part. Step 2: slice the cheese the way you usually slice it. Step 3: serve and enjoy. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more food videos.